Enabling two-factor authentication on your HealthSafe ID is an important step to enhance your account security. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the HealthSafe ID website and log in using your username and password. Ensure that you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options may include SMS, email, or an authentication app. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. This usually involves verifying your chosen method by entering a code sent to you. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be enabled. By following these steps, you can successfully enhance the security of your HealthSafe ID account. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure and updated.